Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my presentation. I am A.S.M. Sabbir Hasan Joy from Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Today, I am going to present about the study areas of an electrical and electronic engineering student. First of all, we need to know about the electrical and electronic engineering subject. So let's know about it. Electrical and electronic engineering is a growing and one of the most sought disciplines in the field of engineering study. It comprises with the electrical engineering and electronic engineering. It is originated by the electrical engineering, by the technically modernization of the world and computerization in our work field. It is necessary to use and understand the circuits and computerized devices in electrical and electronic field. There are two parts of the subject. First part is electrical engineering and the second part is electronic engineering. A lot of you will probably be wondering why the terms electrical engineering and electronic engineering are used almost interchangeably. The difference between these two is often not made very clear. Generally, electrical engineers are interested in large-scale production and distribution of electrical power, while electronic engineers are focused on much smaller electronic circuits. Now, let's see what are the study areas for an electrical engineering student. Power engineering. Power engineering is the main area for an electrical engineering student to study. Power engineering deals with the generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity as well as the design of a range of related devices. This included transformers, electric generators, electric motors, high voltage engineering, and power electronics. In many regions of the world, governments maintain an electrical network called a power grid that connects a variety of generators together with users of their energy. Users pursue electrical energy from the grid, avoiding the costly exercise of having to generate their own. Power engineers may study on the design and maintenance of the power grid as well as the power systems that connected to it. Such systems are called on the grid power systems and may supply the grid with additional power, draw power from the grid, or do the both. And it's all under the cover of electrical engineering study. There is another area for an electrical engineering student. It is control engineering. Control engineering focuses on the modeling of a diverse range of dynamic systems and the design of controllers that will cause the systems to behave in the desired manner. To implement such controllers, electrical engineers may use electronic circuits, digital signal processors, microcontrollers, and programmable logic controllers. Control engineering has a wide range of application from the flight and propulsion system of commercial airlines cruise, to cruise control present in many modern automobiles. It also plays an important role in industrial automation. Electrical engineers also work in robotics to design autonomous systems using control algorithms which interrupt sensory feedback to control actuators to move robots such as autonomous vehicles, autonomous drones, and others used in a variety of industries. Now it's time to see the study areas for an electronic engineering student. There are many areas for an electronic engineering student to study. First of all, microelectronics. Microelectronic engineering deals with the design and microfabrication of very small electronic circuit components for use in an integrated circuit or something for use on their own as general electronic component. The most common microelectronic components are semiconductor, transistors, although all main electronic components, resistors, capacitors, etc., can be created at a micro can be created at a microscopic level. Nanoelectronics. Nanoelectronics is the further scaling of device down to nanometer level. Modern devices are already in the nanometer regime, with the below 100 nanometer processing having been standard since around 2002. Signal processing. Signal processing deals with the analysis and manipulation of signals. Signals can be either analog, in which case the signal varies continuously according to the information, or digital, in which case the signal varies according to the series of discrete values representing the information. Telecommunications. Telecommunications engineering focuses on the transmission of information across the communication channels such as coax cable, optical fiber, or free space. Transmissions across free space require information to be encoded in the carrier signal to shift the information to a carrier frequency suitable for the transmission. This is known as modulation. Electrical instrumentation. Instrumentation engineering deals with the design of devices to measure physical quantities such as pressure, flow, and temperature. The design of the instruments requires a good understanding of physics that often extends beyond electromagnetic theory. For example, flight instruments measures variables such as wind speed and altitude to enable pilots to control the aircraft anal- analytically. Similarly, thermocouples use the Peltier-Seebeck effects to measure the temperature differences between 2 points. And the most important area for an electronic engineering student is robotics. And this is the most updated area for an electronic engineering student. The study areas of these two parts are combined in electrical. The study areas of these two parts are combined in electrical and electronic engineering subjects and make the area bigger for a student. This is all for today. Thank you everyone. See you.